How to log in Chase Bank online banking. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you log in Chase Bank online banking on your device. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open any browser on your system. So like you can open it by using your mobile phone or PC. So simply open the browser. Okay, so now after here you'll have to type chess.com in the source field. So simply have to type chess.com, and now from here you'll have to hit the enter, or from here you'll have to go. Okay, so after that you'll be able to visit official website of chess.com. So from here you'll have to click on the sign in option just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on the sign in. Okay, so from here you'll have to give your username and the exact password of that username, and from there you'll have to tap on the sign in options to sign in with your account on the Chase online banking. So from here you can easily log in with that account. So if you forgot your username or password, you can go with the options like forgot username and password. So simply if you can type it from here. Okay, so now from here you can confirm your identity by following this procedure ahead. So this is the easiest and simplest method to log in Chase Bank online banking on your device. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.